How to check if someone blocked you on TikTok. So, if you are concerned about a specific person who maybe blocked you, but you want to find out for real, I'm going to show you step by step how to check this. So, let's open up TikTok first. And now, while we are in the Home tab in the bottom left corner, just tap on the search icon in the top left. Now search for the name of that person you are concerned about. I'm gonna just search a Polinka 6. Tap search. And now on the top panel, switch to the users. Then you should see all of the similar usernames, so just go through the list until you find this specific person. If you cannot see it in this list, then also try to use @ at the bottom and enter precise username. Tap search, also tap users, and check if your friend appears in this list. If not, then what else we can do is we can tap the profile in the bottom right corner, and if this person was in your followers list or following, then you can tap on it and check if it's still there, because if the person has blocked you, the person will not appear in the followers or following list. As you can see, this person does not appear in my list. So I'm gonna also check the last option, which is inbox. Just tap on it and find conversation with your friend. If it's not here, but it was before, then the person is definitely blocking you. So you definitely blocked by that person. And unfortunately, there is no way how you can get yourself unblocked. There is up to your friends to unblock you or just leave you blocked. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.